Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm recording this a little bit early. Week 7 you have your midterm exam, and a lot of you might be a little surprised with that. However, I would not stress about this exam. It is not hard at all. So based on the work that you've done so far, I can tell that you're going to do a really great job in this exam. It's not super hard. There's some questions you have to type in answers, so make sure you take your time to fill in the words. It's open now until the 1st of August by midnight, which is due by then. So you have all of this next week, starting on Sunday, of course, and ending a week from Sunday to finish your midterm exam. You don't have any other homework in there, although if you look in the syllabus, you'll find kind of the outline of what we're looking at here. So the only thing you really have to do is continue to work on your paper and then finish your midterm exam. It also says read chapters 13 and 16 if you have time, although that's not as, of course, mandatory as the two things we just went over. I don't really have a fear of you guys not doing as well as I expect in this exam because it's not extremely difficult. I don't even actually issue a study guide because it's pretty straightforward and simple. Some of the stuff you'll find in your book. It's open book, of course, but be sure to take your time and complete it. It will be located in the top of the course content section. The password is COMM, C-O-M-M 2021, and I'll put that password here in week 7 so you can reference it. If you have any questions, please reach out. I look forward to seeing how well you do, and I also look forward to helping you throughout your time on your APA paper, which will be coming up soon. Thanks so much.